Question 14. Y is given as a e power mx plus b e power nx, and we have to show that this expression equal to 0. So let this y is already given. So differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx. See, capital A is coefficient, we will write as it is. E power mx. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, same. But now here we got composite function, so e power mx derivative will be e power mx, then derivative of mx. So that will be m. So here I am writing derivative of mx is m. Plus b as it is coefficient, derivative of e power nx is e power nx into n. Okay. So now again differentiate with respect to x. So d square y by dx square will be, now this time a and m are coefficient, so m a, and then derivative of e power mx is e power mx into derivative of mx again, so that will be m, and b n is coefficient, derivative of e power nx is same, and then derivative of nx is n. So we will get here m square a e power mx plus n square b e power nx. See, sometimes it is difficult to get from this expression to get this proving expression. Okay, so sometimes how we can solve, we can find the values. See, we got d square y by dx square value, we know dy by dx value, we know y also from the question. So these three values we will substitute in here. That means we can show by considering left hand side and right hand side. So consider left hand side, that is d square y by dx square minus m plus n dy by dx plus m and y. Okay, so these three value we will substitute here. So this value is what? M square a e power mx plus n square b e power nx minus m plus n bracket and dy by dx also in bracket. This is m and n. Okay, then my plus m n and y. So y is a e power mx plus b e power nx. So see, these two terms will be same. Now from m we will open the bracket, and then with n also we will open the bracket. So this minus will be as it is here. Suppose first with m, so m square a e power mx plus m n b e power nx. Then with n, so m n a power e mx plus n square b e power nx. Okay, plus mn, with mn we can open the bracket. So see, this will come mn a power e mx plus mn b e power nx. Okay, now what we will do here, with minus we will open the bracket. Minus m square a e power mx plus, sorry, minus will come minus mn b e power nx minus mn a e power mx minus n square b e power nx plus mn a e power mx plus mn b e power nx. So see, plus m square minus m square cancel, plus n square minus n square cancel, mna minus mna plus. So what we got here? 0, which is right hand side. Question 15. So differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx will be, see 500 is coefficient, e power 7x derivative is e power 7x, then derivative of 7x is 7. Here also 600 is coefficient, derivative of e power minus 7x is minus 7x, and then derivative of this is minus 7. So dy by dx we can write plus minus minus will come. So again differentiate with respect to x. So d square y by dx square. This is coefficient now. E power 7x means e power 7x into 7 minus e power minus 7x into e power derivative of minus 7 means minus 7. Okay. So see what we have to prove, 49y. So from this can we take 49 common? Yes, because here 7 was already there. We multiplied with 5 to get 3500. So that 7 we will take out. 7 into 7 means 49. This we can write 49 into 500 e power 7x. This will be plus. This will be 49 into 600 e power minus 7x. Okay. So now what we will do here, 49x we will take common. 49. So this will remain 500 e power 7x plus 600 e power minus 7x, which is what? Y. So here we got the answer 49y. Question 16 is e power y bracket x plus 1 equal to 1. Show that this expression is true. So we will consider this. Apply log both the side. If you apply log, then property of log. So plus log of x plus 1. Log 1 is 0. Okay. So y will come out, y log e plus log of x plus 1 equal to 0. Now log e is 1, so you will be left with y plus log of x plus 1 equal to 0. Differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx, derivative of log x plus 1 is 1 by x plus 1, and then derivative of x plus 1 is 1 only. That means dy by dx is minus 1 upon x plus 1. Now differentiate again with respect to x. So d square y by dx square is what? See, x plus 1 is in denominator, so we can write in numerator. Okay. Then power rule. Derivative of, okay, power rule is what? This minus is already there. This power will come out and then subtract 1 from the power. That means this power will become minus 2 and this will become 1. So what we will get here? X plus 1 power minus 2. What we can write this as? We can write d square y by dx square is minus 1 by, sorry, not minus 1 by x plus 1 square. Okay. So can I write this as minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square? Why? Because minus 1 square is 1 only, and x plus 1 bracket square will come. So this is what? This is nothing but dy by dx. So d square y by dx square we got as dy by dx bracket square. Y equal to tan inverse x. So differentiate with respect to x. So first we will apply power rule. Okay. 2 tan inverse x, then derivative of tan inverse x. Okay. Because this is x square means what? 2x. So here tan inverse square of tan inverse x means 2 into tan inverse x and then derivative of composite. So dy by dx will be 2 tan inverse x. Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Now this denominator we can shift here. 1 plus x square dy by dx into 2 tan inverse equals to 2 tan inverse x. Now differentiate again with respect to x. So here product rule. So first function same, derivative of the second, plus second function same, derivative of the first means 2x only, isn't it? And derivative of right hand side means tan inverse x derivative, that will be 1 plus x square. So what we can do, this 1 plus x square again we will shift here. So here already it is there, so that bracket will become square. Here only 2x is there, so this will be dy by dx equals to 2. But this is what, y2 and this is y1. So see, we got our expression y2 2x 1 plus x square y1 equals to 2.